and welcome to my video. So this is the unboxing and having a first look at the ZLX inflatable fishing paddleboard. Now that's the condition it arrived here, nothing new with Amazon, and it's probably from the warehouse, not the poor driver. Okay, let's get her unpacked and see if there's any damage. Here we are. It was well packaged, I have to say that, and had some little foamy pieces in between the folds. We let it unfold a little bit more here before I put air in it. That's what it came with. We have the iPhone cover, waterproof. Got the waterproof bag. Got the leash. Got 3 fins. We got the beverage holder. That's a new one. We got the harness for the seat. We have even some good bungees. Appreciated. There's a seat. I have one already. They're okay. There's a pump, and there was lots of complaints about the pump because they tend to break. This looks like an upgraded pump. I won't be using it because I have an electric inflatable machine, or electric inflator. So happen to be even from ZLX. Alrighty. Oh yeah, one of the main complaints was that it was leaking around the valves, and that's often the reason because it hasn't been tightened down properly. That's why you get this interesting key here. Let me just see if you can give it a little more. Oh yeah, see, it went. So that's something important to remember. Ooh, I can't even get at those buggers just yet. Okay, let's inflate her. So I left it at 10 psi. You're supposed to be between 12 and 15. I just wanted to uncrinkle some more, and I have to see if I have to do something with those, you know, really deep gouges there. What I have to say about the pump, it doesn't go any faster. You might as well pump it up by hand. Of course, you know, it takes the strain away pumping it by hand, but it's slow, but so far so good. Okay, let's do the sides. Okay, so we have the sides inflated, and of course, number one reason to get this board were the side chambers. So now you have 3 air chambers instead of just the big one in the middle. Also for added stability, and just a FYI, I had to retorque those valves as well. So if you're getting some air leakage around it, just remember to maybe give it a little torque if it moves carefully. Okay, so the board is 11 foot 6 inches, and of course a drop stitch. As you can see, it has a capacity of 400 pounds. Why only 400? I don't know. My skating has a capacity of 450 pounds, but that's okay. Good. So now we have the side rails here with some rub strips, which I really appreciate. That's a really good thing. I love that. Real nice rub strips, and lots of D-rings. That's where your seat goes. Got your handle. You got the scale for measuring the fish you're gonna catch with it, and you got attachment points for either footrests or rod holders. And there is the mount for your camera. That's one of the reasons why I wanted this too. And it says it has a hard shell nose, and it actually really does. Super nice. So that's another plus right there. Super. Good. Okay, nice. Rub strips. Can't talk. And yeah, that's it. Let's see how she does on the water. So far so good.